What if I told you there is a food sitting in your grocery store right now, probably ignored by most people, that scientists have proven can actually repair damaged DNA and force cancer cells to self-destruct? Not a pill, not a supplement costing hundreds of dollars. A real whole food that has been studied in labs at major universities around the world. And the most shocking part is that most doctors never mention it. Most people have never heard about this research, but today that changes. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because what you are about to learn could genuinely be one of the most important things you ever hear about your health. Welcome back. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to bringing you real, science-backed health information that actually makes a difference in your everyday life. Today we are talking about one of the most fascinating areas of nutritional science, and that is the relationship between the food we eat and our DNA. Your DNA is the instruction manual inside every single cell in your body. It controls how your cells grow, how they repair, and how they behave. When DNA gets damaged, which happens every single day due to stress, toxins, pollution, and poor diet, cells can start to malfunction, and over time, that malfunction can lead to serious diseases, including cancer. But here is the incredible thing: your body has a repair system, and certain foods can supercharge that system in ways that science is only now beginning to fully understand. The food we're talking about today is broccoli, and more specifically a powerful compound found inside it called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a naturally occurring compound found in cruciferous vegetables, and broccoli sprouts contain the highest concentration of it anywhere in the plant kingdom. When you chew, chop, or blend broccoli, two components inside the plant, glucoraphanin and myrosinase, combine and create sulforaphane. This is the compound that researchers have been studying intensively for the past 3 decades, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Sulforaphane works at the cellular level. It activates a master switch in your body called the NRF2 pathway. Think of NRF2 as a command center that tells your cells to turn on their built-in defense systems. When NRF2 is activated, your body starts producing its own antioxidant enzymes and detoxification proteins at levels that no supplement you could swallow could ever match. Your cells essentially go into protective mode, repairing damage, neutralizing toxins, and fighting off threats from the inside out. Every single day, your DNA takes thousands of hits, from things like UV radiation, processed food chemicals, air pollution, and even just normal metabolic processes inside your own body. Most of the time, your cells repair this damage automatically. But when the damage comes faster than your repair systems can handle, errors start to accumulate. Those errors can eventually cause normal cells to turn cancerous. This is where sulforaphane steps in a powerful way. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have shown that sulforaphane enhances the activity of DNA repair enzymes. It essentially helps your body fix the damage faster and more efficiently. One study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that sulforaphane significantly increased the expression of DNA repair genes in human subjects. Another study from Johns Hopkins University showed that broccoli sprout extract, which is highly concentrated in sulforaphane, reduced DNA damage markers in participants who consumed it regularly. This is not theory. This is documented, replicated science showing that this specific compound from a specific food is genuinely helping your cells maintain their integrity and protect their genetic code. Here is where things get even more extraordinary. Sulforaphane does not just prevent cancer at the DNA level. It has been shown to directly target cancer cells that already exist, and it does something remarkable. It triggers a process called apoptosis, which is essentially programmed cell death. In healthy cells, when a cell becomes damaged or defective, it is supposed to self-destruct so it cannot multiply and cause harm. Cancer cells have figured out how to turn off that self-destruct signal, which is part of what makes them so dangerous. They keep multiplying when they should not. Sulforaphane has been shown in laboratory studies to switch that self-destruct mechanism back on in certain types of cancer cells, causing them to die without harming the surrounding healthy tissue. Research has demonstrated this effect in breast cancer cells, prostate cancer cells, colon cancer cells, and even some of the most aggressive forms, including pancreatic cancer cells. Scientists at Stanford University found that sulforaphane selectively targeted cancer stem cells, which are the most dangerous and treatment-resistant type of cancer cell, while leaving healthy cells completely unharmed. That selectivity is what makes this compound so uniquely exciting to researchers around the world. Now, here is something most people get completely wrong, and it is costing them the majority of broccoli's benefits. When you boil broccoli, you destroy most of the myrosinase enzyme, which is the enzyme needed to create sulforaphane in the first place. Studies show that boiling broccoli can reduce sulforaphane formation by up to 90%. That means most people who think they are eating healthy broccoli are getting almost none of the compound that makes it so powerful. The best way to eat broccoli is raw, lightly steamed for no more than 3 to 4 minutes, or after a very important trick. Chop or crush your broccoli first and let it sit for 40 minutes before cooking it. When you cut or damage the plant, the glucoraphanin and myrosinase have time to react and create sulforaphane before heat can destroy the enzyme. This simple step dramatically increases the amount of sulforaphane you actually absorb. And if you really want to maximize your intake, broccoli sprouts, which are the young seedlings of the broccoli plant, contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Just 1 tablespoon of broccoli sprouts on your salad or in a smoothie gives you a concentrated dose that would take a large serving of regular broccoli to match. Your body is fighting for you every single day. Every cell in your body is working hard to protect your DNA, repair damage, and keep you healthy. The least we can do is give it the right tools to win that fight. And the beautiful thing is that one of the most powerful tools science has ever discovered is available to you right now, for just a few dollars at your local grocery store. Start adding broccoli sprouts to your meals this week. Steam your broccoli instead of boiling it. Chop it and let it sit before you cook it. These are small, simple changes that take no extra time but give your body something genuinely extraordinary. Now, if this video opened your eyes to something new, please hit that like button right now. It truly helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe if you are not already, because every single week we bring you science-backed health content that you will not hear anywhere else. And drop a comment below telling me, did you know about sulforaphane before today? I read every comment and I genuinely love hearing from you. Your health is your greatest wealth. Protect it with everything you have got. I will see you in the next one.